Early a bird gets the early a worm, while the early squirrel gets the early a nut. The life of a true hustler gets their bread and meat. Colossians chapter 2, verse 2 and 3. That the truth of understanding unto a true hustler, giving wisdom, being comforted to life, knowledge of truth, being knit together unto all riches, the full of assurance of understanding, of wisdom of the mystery of Father, fountain, living waters, King David and his son, King David, Messiah. Deuteronomy chapter 28, verse 12 and 13. Fountain, living waters. Father, King David shall bless all the works of David, King's hand, and shall bless all the works of David, King's hand. And David shall lend money and not shall borrow money, no money. And shall be the head of David's own business above the clouds, the sky, and not beneath on earth, concrete ground. Matthew chapter 5, verse 14. Yea, light-skinned David, king of a high, the sky clouds, a city made of steel and diamonds and gold that is set on high, that cannot be hid from the eyes of the cities of AIs. America beneath the lower ground can see of the high in the sky above the clouds. Matthew chapter 13, verse 16, 17, 15. Blessed are your eyes, David King, for they see, and your ears, for they hear too. David King, that many righteous, unrighteous, evil people have desired to see, to living above the clouds. For evil people heart is wax of lust and greed, which blinded their eyes, blinded their eyes. AI taught mankind to live beneath on lower ground, or to be a slave unto AI, living beneath on concrete on lower ground. AI is enslaving mankind to be enslaved unto AI. On lower ground, concrete, calling people scavengers. So I know the truth. I build, steal my city made of diamonds and gold, of a height, of past the clouds, because the truth said be above and not beneath. Many people lost because the passage of truth is in the Bible, and I found the truth to come from the slavery of death, live up high, building my city of steel made of gold and diamonds, of high, living above. I'm the head and not the tail. The tail of the people following AI. I'm the head, and AI does not control me. Coming from the evil beneath, on concrete, death and sickness, your people are lost. The truth is not in your heart. I know the truth, so the truth is in me to build my city made of steel, above the clouds, being above and not beneath, not a bottom feeder, a liar. You never heard this before, because the truth in me to tell you now, we have to live above the clouds, not beneath on lower ground, a slave to death. my knowledge is not from this planet. My knowledge comes from above. My Father, fountain living waters, keep day to speak to me. When I read the Bible, it opens up, it glows to me. Cause it's spiritual awakening to me. I'm found and not lost.